Hello, my love. It is story time. This book I'm going to read to you today is called What Do You Say, Little Blue Truck? Little Blue Truck is taking a ride. He sees some friends in the countryside. Blue says, beep, beep. As he's passing by, how do Little Blue's friends say hi? We're about to find out. Little Blue Truck sees Pig today. Beep, says Blue in a friendly way. Does Pig say beep like Little Blue? No. Pigs say oink, as all pigs do. Who's in the meadows? It's Woolly Sheep. Blue drives by with a friendly beep. Does sheep say beep like Little Blue? No. Sheep say baa, as all sheep do. Hen's in the garden scratching around. She hears Blue's beep and she knows that sound. Does Hen say beep like Little Blue? No. Hens say cluck, 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 as all hens do. Who's in the pond? It's Blue's friend Duck. She hears that beep from Little Blue's truck. Does Duck say beep like Little Blue? No. Ducks say quack, 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 as all ducks do. Goat jumps over the bale of hay when he hears Blue's friendly beep, beep today. Does Goat say beep like Little Blue? No. Goats say meh, as all goats do. Blue sees Horse by the big barn door. Beep, says Blue, as he did before. Does Horse say beep like Little Blue? No. Horse say yeah, as horses do. Cow looks out on a field of corn when she hears the beep of Little Blue's horn. Does cow say beep like Little Blue? No. Cow says moo, as all cows do. Blue sees many good friends today. They all say hi in their own very own way. Oink, baa, cluck, quack, ma, meh, moo. Let's hear it. Here's the pig. Oink, oink, oink. We have the goat, sheep, the hen. What do we have next? That's the duck. That's the goat. What do we have here? That's the horsey. And last but not least, the cow. See, all the animals said hi to Little Blue. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. The end. What do you say, Little Blue Truck? That was our story of today. I hope you liked it. Until next time, Mimi loves you. Bye.